Hey guys, welcome back to DesignStorm. We'll continue with our lead code solution series, and today we are solving lead code problem number 3, which is longest substring without repeating characters. The problem states that given a string s, find the length of longest substring without repeating character. Okay, so from this string we need to find just the length of longest substring which does not have a repeating character. Example is, if let's say input is ABC, ABC, BB, the answer is ABC. Okay, so ABC is the longest string which does not have a repeating character, so output will be 3, which is length of ABC. Okay, in case of BBB the output is 1, of course, because there is only one length which is unique. In case of PWWKEW, it is 3. Okay, because WKE, this is the longest substring which is length of 3. Okay, one thing is, notice that answer must be a substring. Fine. PWK is a subsequence, not a substring. PW, okay, because this is not a substring, this does not come in the same order. Okay, that's fine. In case of a blank string, the output should be 0. Okay, constraints are length can be 5 into 10 to the power 4. Okay, S contains letters, digits, symbols, and spaces. Okay, that's fine. Let's try to solve this. So I think the best data structure to solve this is going to be a hash map, because we need to ensure that there is an order which is maintained. So what I am doing here is, I am, let's say, creating a hash map of characters comma integer. Let's call this as hmap equals new hash map of character comma integer. Okay, just give me a minute. Yeah, now better. Now I will have a loop which will start from the first place, which is int I equals 0, I is less than s dot length I plus plus. Then within the loop, what I'm going to do is, first of all, I will check the character which is at the current location. So I will do s dot char at the position I got the character. Now what I will do is, if my map contains the key which is, let's say, it's the C character, then start. Okay, so I need to have
a few minutes later.
Then int start here. No, I need to have a variable here in which I am going to maintain when did we start. Let's initialize this to 0. Here what I will do is, I will set start as whatever is the current value of star, and let's say maximum of the current position plus 1 from the hash map. I'll tell you why we are doing this. So what I'm doing here is, start will be mat.max of start or hmap.get at C with an increment of 1. So what we are basically doing here is, start needs to be maximum value of, if let's say start is greater than current plus 1, then we'll keep it at start only, otherwise we will use start. So this is fine. And then what I will do is, I will have to create one more variable which is int result, in which I'm going to store the length. Similar thing I'm going to do for a result as well. So result is equal to math dot max of result comma, let's say, so what we are doing here is, if result is maximum we'll keep it, otherwise what I will do is I minus whatever is worth the start value plus 1. This should work, because in case of result, if result was higher we use that, otherwise what I will do is, we'll assume that the current substring is the maximum that we have and we initialize this as. And next what we will do is, we need to put the value into the hash map. So we will do C comma I. So for character, what I have done is, I have inputted this back into the hash map. Okay, and at the end we will have a result being returned. Okay, let me see if this should work. A comes. Okay, if A contains, no, it does not go here. Start remains 0, result is 0 comma I is 0 minus start is again 0 plus 1, so 1, so result becomes 1. This is fine. Again B comes, does not contains, it comes here, result becomes 2, and then C comes, result becomes 3, and then for C, when again A comes, then at that point of time we have the result in hash map. Okay, this is fine. I think this should work. Let me see if it works for the test case that we have here.
Pow!
Okay, Okay, so what it is saying is HMAP. Oh, my bad. Just give me a minute. Okay, so this for this test case is accepted. Let's see if all the test cases passes or not. Okay, so the solution is accepted. What is the time complexity and space complexity here? So I think this is O of 1 because we are only iterating on each character only once, and HMAP, let's say if all the characters are unique, we'll have one, let's say we'll have n characters. So n O of n in terms of space and time complexity is the solution that we have provided. So guys, this was the solution to lead code problem number 3, which is finding the longest substring without repeating character in a string. I hope you like it. In case if you did, do not forget to press the like and subscribe button and say design strong.